Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can listen to Spotify offline. It's pretty simple. Right now I don't have any network connection, so if I open Spotify, nothing is going to be shown over here. I mean, it is showing me all these stuff, but if I try to play it, as you guys can see, nothing will play. It says no internet connection. So in this case, you can only play the music and podcast which you have downloaded. To access the podcast and music you have downloaded, you want to click on your library at the bottom and then click on where it says downloaded at the top. If you don't see it, scroll to the side, you will see it. And all of your downloaded video, podcast, or music is going to be shown. So you can click on your episode and all your music and podcast you downloaded is going to be shown over here. You can play anyone you want from over here. But if you don't know how to download a music, what you can do is this. First, you want to turn on your Wi-Fi. After you turn on your Wi-Fi or data, you want to go to the music or the podcast you want to download. Let's say I want to download this little music. What I can do is click on the music and play it first. Once it starts to play, I can click on the three dot beside it at the top right, click on download. Once I click on download, it'll start to download, and then after it completes downloading, I can listen to it offline. But remember, to download any podcast or music on Spotify, you need premium version of Spotify. So hope you understand. Hit the subscribe to our channel, How to Guide. I'll see you guys in my next video.